Just click on the payments section right here and select $50 option to withdraw your earnings and you will get paid. Today, I have brought you this completely new app where you can earn $2 again and again for every second you use this app. Here you will find different options to earn money like playing games, watching videos, movies, or even series, voting on matches, entering daily prize draws, completing tasks, and many more. And in a minute, I will show you the live withdrawal proof from this website. The good thing is that this app works in every country around the world, and you can withdraw your earnings through different payment methods available here, like PayPal, Payeer, and many other different payment withdrawal methods that works around the world, like Perfect Money, Payoneer, Web Money, Visa Card and MasterCards for accepting money, Binance, Cash App, PUBG gift cards, Free Fire gift cards, Google Play gift cards, and Amazon Pay gift cards. Also, if you want, you can use your earnings to grow your different Facebook accounts, YouTube accounts, Instagram accounts, and TikTok accounts using this. Now the name of this app is Sky Cash. This is the dashboard of Sky Cash. And from here, you can earn money from different tasks, and then you can simply withdraw your earnings from this option. If you sign up daily to this app, they will pay you daily bonus. As you can see, I have already got 2 sign-up bonuses, and there are many bonuses to be availed. You can also earn money with these 4 ways to earn money online. But the best way to make money online is by playing games. So now if you click on load more option right here, it will take you to next page where you can find a lot of different games which you can play and earn money online. So for example, if you select this game, Puke Hockey, you can start to play this game where you have to play hockey against different countries. And once you finish the game, which is really very easy, Sky Cash will give you some points which you can later convert into real money. Like that, the more games you play and the more levels you complete, the more points you will earn, which you can exchange for real money. Now the easiest way to make money with this app is by watching videos, which you can watch from earn money from tasks option right there. Here you can watch videos and advertisements to earn money online. Just simply click on this watch and earn section, where you can find many different videos to watch. You can select any of them, and you can watch them for just like 10 to 15 seconds. After that, the points will be added to your account. Watch all the videos available here to earn the maximum number of coins possible. And to earn even more coins and to earn more money, you can watch advertisements from these 2 options available here. Just click on any of them and it will show you an ad which you can watch. And after that, you can close the ad and you will be credited with coins. Now you just need 66,500 coins to withdraw $50, which is very easy to get. Because, if you come over to Earn Money from Task section and select the premium offers from there, you can complete this survey offer and you can get 50,000 coins for doing only one offer. Also, if you click on Invite section from here, you will see that every time you refer someone to this app, they will get 30 coins and you will get 15 coins. Here is your referral link, which you can use to share with your friends and family to earn the referral income. As you can see that I have only 300 coins right now, so let me complete all these offers fast, and after that I will show you the withdrawal proof. Now, you can see that I have completed all offers and I have over 90,000 coins, which I can exchange for real money. So, I will go to the payments section here and I will select the $50 PayPal option from there. And in this box right here, you have to enter your PayPal email ID. So, as you can see, I have sent the $50 withdrawal request and it is showing pending for now. It will take 3 to 5 days to credit to my account. Now let me withdraw 2 more amounts of $10 each. And as you can see, total of $70 is showing pending status in my account. So let's wait for it. Okay, so, as you can see, my withdrawal of total $70 is showing complete. So let's check my PayPal. And as you can see, I got paid $70 directly to my PayPal. And you can use any other payment method available in your country to withdraw your earnings from this app. You will find the link of this app in the description of this video. Download the app and start earning $2 every second using this new app. And if you want to use more make money online apps, then click on the right video showing on the screen. Thanks for watching.